Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg and today we're going to take a look at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So just out here on the daily, and you can see yesterday we put in this nice bullish candle, just closing above these tops and dropping down the time frames. Let's drop immediately to the 15. Let's clean that up a little bit for you. You can see that we've had this rather bullish move here and a slight pullback, or you can take this one if you prefer it. Slight pullback, that's probably the better one, and we've put in a new high and we've since just gone sideways, retesting this level multiple times. What that will do is that will accumulate a nice amount of retail trader stops in and around this level. The next logical place for stops being down here, or even potentially down here. So you and I know that retail traders aren't going to position themselves that far away from the action. And what has the market done? Well, you can see here that we've just started to push down, broke this level. That would have encouraged a few breakout traders. If that one didn't, this one certainly did. I bet there's a fib in there, 38.2 on the fib, potentially some retracement traders jumping in here. It did start to push lower. That would have looked quite bearish, as would have this one in real time. That would have looked bearish. That's kind of half flipped, and now we've just started to rally to the upside. So I'm expecting this to continue up to this zone here. If we jump back out to, let's try the 240 first. We've got this nice little cluster here. So I will be aiming for around the 95.65 to 95.80 kind of area. We can probably pull that up a little bit. I just wanted to incorporate these tails. Obviously, one thing to bear in mind, and that is later on today we have the core, we have the CAD CPI and the core retail sales. So just bear that in mind, but it does look like we are starting to push to the upside. So let's see how this one pans out. Now, there were several ways you could have got involved. A very aggressive entry would have been to buy down here. As soon as you saw a little bit of that buying coming in, that would have been a very aggressive entry. It would have allowed for very tight stops. Another entry you could have taken was after we had this retracement and it started to push off, and then we started to head lower and it flipped. You could have entered in on this one. If you're a little bit more conservative, you can wait until it pulls back inside and potentially retests from the other side. Obviously, sometimes you get the pullback, as we all know. Sometimes you don't get the pullback. It might just take off. Anyway, traders, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this sort of content. If you do, please give it a like and give it a share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.